Apology in non-truthful detail about the band because at first we made an impression that this was the band from Tacloban City, and yet we are apologizing they were not. Sorry sa script director, I mean sorry to all of you. Script director namin nagkamali sa liga. Okay lang yan. Taga saan ba ang 7 Foot Eco band?
It's actually from Ormoc City.
Ormoc City. Okay ka lang? Tubig?
Okay lang.
Ano man? Coffee?
I need air.
Cash? Air. Hili ka.
May blower.
Nanapod ka ha? Chick boy. Pwede chick, pwede boy.
Nanapod ka. Talap.
Madam, good evening to you. What's your name once again? What's your name?
It's Regina.
Regina.
Became Reg.
You are otherwise known as Reg.
Yes,
Widely
Reg.
known as Reg, rather. So, ilang taon na ba si Reg kumakanta? Since uso pa yung ano?
Kung sa band.
Oo, kung sa band. Sige, usapan natin yun.
Kung sa band, nag-start siya ng college.
College?
Oo, then nag-start din siya SMB.
SMB din?
Ano siya? SMB Tambayan, doon sa Quadrangle.
Doon sa Quadrangle.
Doon yun ang first, nag-ano ko.
2000?
I think 2008?
2008. Nandun ba ako nun?
Hindi ko alam kasi hindi ba kita kilala nun eh.
Kilala mo na ako ngayon.
Dito ako ha. Ayun ha. So,
Anyway, sa banda yun.
doon tayo sa kilala.
Shut up, palis ka. Sa banda yun.
Oh.
Doon sa pagkanta.
Okay. Kaya ka ba? So, grade 1 yata ako?
Grade 1.
Ako.
Una mong kinanta, alam ko.
Ano na?
Bayang
Siyempre. Ang sunod ang
Kinakanta ko yun. All respects to the flag and of course to the country.
Kanan ka
We are patriots, honey. Okay, so you were champions in, according to the credits of your information, you were champions. Himig ng himig ng kabataan, and then is stage performance just commonly a thing to you, or do you still feel stage frights? Meron pa bang konting takot, tension, mga ganyan? Natitense ka, kagaya ngayon.
It's a big yes.
It's a big yes.
Kaya mo yan,
Ako rin natitense.
Ako
It's a big yes.
May kaba pa ako.
May kaba ka ba?
Yes, yes.
Feel ko. Ako rin.
Oo, sige. Feel mo.
Sige, dito na lang. Kasi
Wala na si ate.
Okay.
pagkuha lang.
Ang linis, ang ganda, coordinated, and well
Thank you po.
prepared. Congratulations to you in advance.
Salamat po.
I am congratulating the other bands too. Good luck to you because it is in the hands of our judges.
Yan.
Hopefully, see you more in action, right?
Thank you.
Thank you, Regina.
Thank you, Rich.
Feel mo?
7 foot
Feel mo yung kaba? Feel ko rin. Ayos.
Parang ako tuloy ang kinakabaho para sa'yo, Dre.
Huwag na natin pag-usapan. Panis. Sige, panat.
Ang susunod, ito na talaga ang From Tacloban.